Welcome to EGF Academy. I am Dr. Geetanjali. Today's topic is ex-situ conservation. In ex-situ conservation, the threatened animals and plants whose population has reduced drastically in the forest, they are brought out of the forest and are taken to zoological parks or botanical garden or seed banks. Species are conserved there. Now, what are botanical gardens? These are the centers where plant species whose number have declined in nature are protected. Plant species population declines due to overexploitation. Suppose there is a medicinal plant in a forest. People cut it illegally. Then its population decline and it can reach on the verge of extinction. Under such condition, this plant is taken to the botanical garden and it is managed scientifically. In botanical garden, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers all get protection. There are other purposes of botanical gardens as well, like study of taxonomy. Taxonomy means study of plants, about plants' vegetative growth, its reproduction, how breeding can be done with this plant. Everything is studied there. Also, introduction and adaptation process of exotic plants. The exotic plants like weeds such as parthenium, they come from different places and colonize a new area and replace the native species of that area. So how these exotic plants adapt to a new habitat? This is species A and suppose it reach a forest area and growing here. Climate of its previous habitat was different and climate of this new area is different. So this exotic species must have gone through some adaptation. These things are studied here. These things are studied in botanical garden to understand how exotic plants spread over other places and we can control them. Also in botanical gardens, the rare and threatened species are conserved. Next is zoo. In zoo, animals are conserved. Initially when zoo were formed, they were created for entertainment purpose, but now they have become the centers of wildlife conservation. The wild species which are endangered, they are kept here and conserved. Then Central Zoo Authority. All the zoo of India follows the guidelines of Central Zoo Authority. It is under Environment Ministry. It is a statutory body. Its chairman is Environment Minister. It regulates all the zoo in all over India. If any zoo has to be established, it has to get recognition from CZA authority and all the guidelines will have to be followed. Subscribe for more informational videos. You can join our affordable courses for NEET, NET JRF and UPSC. Registration link is given in the description box.